Welcome back, science enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mind-bending world of physics, where scientists have accomplished something straight out of science fiction. In a groundbreaking experiment, physicists have successfully simulated a black hole in a laboratory setting. Yes, you heard that right. A black hole, right here on Earth. Using incredibly sophisticated equipment, these researchers were able to recreate the conditions of a black hole, a cosmic phenomenon known for its immense gravitational pull. Our goal was to better understand the behavior of black holes and how they interact with their surroundings. By simulating one in the lab, we were able to study its effects in a controlled environment. But here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. During the experiment, the simulated black hole began to emit light, just like a real black hole in space. This unexpected discovery has left scientists scratching their heads and rethinking some of our fundamental understandings of black holes. The fact that our simulated black hole started to glow opens up new avenues of research. We need to delve deeper into the mechanisms behind this phenomenon and what it means for our understanding of black holes. So, what does this all mean for the future of astrophysics? Well, it means that we're one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, from the depths of black holes to the origins of the cosmos. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the cosmos.